Welcome back to the course. In this lecture, we are going to explore how to understand and measure your directory's performance using the Directorist Analytics extension. Data plays a critical role in building a successful directory. It helps you make informed decisions, optimize performance, and identify growth opportunity. And that's exactly what this extension is designed to do. Directorist Analytics is a powerful extension that gives you access to key insights about your directory directly from your WordPress dashboard. You can track listing performance, visitor demographics, and traffic sources without relying on third-party tools or additional subscription. The dashboard is designed to be simple and user-friendly. At a glance, you can view total listing, reviews, authors, search trends, view trends, and recent activities, allowing you to quickly understand what's happening across your platform. You can also identify your best performing and underperforming listing, analyze where your traffic is coming from, and monitor how often listing appears in search result. To define your analysis, you can adjust the reporting period using the data range selector at the top right. Everything is presented visually so you can interpret the data easily without complex analysis. If you are using a Directorist Pro subscription, you can install this extension directly from the Theme and Extension section. Alternatively, you can download it from the Directorist website, upload it to your WordPress dashboard, and activate it manually. Once activated, you will see a new analytics option in your sidebar under Directory Listing. The Overview dashboard provides a quick summary of your directory's performance. At the top, you will find key metrics such as total listing, reviews, authors, and website clicks. The Search and View Trend chart shows how often your listing appear in search result and how users interact with them. You can also monitor recent activities to stay up to date on real-time user interaction. Next is the Listing Performance section. Here you can evaluate how individual listings perform in search result. You can identify which listing received the most views and clicks and analyze user engagement through contact from interaction. This helps you understand which listings are generating the most value. The Traffic and Source Report provides insight into where your visitors are coming from. You can view data such as visitor location, search engines, and referral sources. This data is based on single listing page views. To include logged-in user in tracking, go to Directory Listing, then Settings, then Listings, then General, and enable Include Logged-in User Views. Each report includes visual comparison, traffic counts, and percentage breakdowns. The Tech Stats section provides technical insights about your audience. You can see which browser, operating system, and screen resolution your visitors are using. This information helps you optimize your directory for better performance and user experience. The Author reports display all listing owners along with their activity. You can view the number of listings they manage, their registration details, and their last access time. This helps you monitor contributor activity across your platform. The Export section allows you to download your analytics data for reporting or sharing. You can export report in PDF or CSV format. Simply select the data range, choose the reporting intervals such as daily, weekly, or monthly, and define the scope, whether per listing, all listing, or per author. You can also customize which metrics to include before exporting your report. In the Settings section, you can control how data is collected and managed. The Data Protection option enables privacy and GDPR compliance. If enabled, tracking preferences are automatically restricted. If disabled, you can manually configure options such as respecting Do Not Track settings, excluding admin visits, and masking IP addresses. You will also find an option to automatically delete raw logs with a maximum retention of 30 days. You can reduce this duration or delete logs manually using the Delete Raw Logs Now option and cannot be undone. And there's an overview of the Directorist Analytics extension. Understanding your data is what separates a basic directory from a growing, optimized platform. With the right insight, you can improve performance, refine your strategy, and make smarter business decisions. This also marks the end of our extension focus lectures. In the next section, we'll move beyond tools and start exploring real-world directory examples and business strategies. See you in the next lecture.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.